Hi everyone, it's Brynn with Brynn Capella Handbags, and I thought I'd pop on here really quickly to talk about fall. I know it just felt like summer just started and we just got into our groove, but it's time to start thinking about breaking out those jackets, right? Switching out your open-toed shoes for boots. But besides that, it's really time to start thinking about your handbag. Everybody thinks, oh, it's fall, so I need to break out a nice dark brown or a black bag. And these are great to have in your wardrobe. But I suggest having one really good solid neutral and then finding colors that act as neutrals. So I chose 4 of our colors that I think are great neutrals that are year-round, but are perfect ways to transition from summer to fall and then back to spring again. One of my first favorites is blue. You need to add a blue bag to your handbag wardrobe. This is our Blue Bayou. The thing I love about this is it's that kind of marbly blue, so it really goes with so many things from olives to navies to grays to browns to blacks. We use contrast zippers and stitching and lining colors to add a little bit more of a pop to our neutrals. So this is our Blue Bayou. Great blue bag to add to your wardrobe. Another one, instead of that basic brown bag, this is what we call our Merlot. And this is a great wine colored brown. And the thing I love about wine colored browns is that when you pair them with certain things, they really look fall. And if you pair them with other colors, they can look seasonless and really will go with anything and everything. And it won't matter what shoe color you're wearing, anything like that. Ours has a little bit of a plum color to it, but you're still going to be looking at a neutral. Another great color for fall is an olive green. This is our suede. We call it Greenwich, but it is a beautiful kind of bright olive. And suede is a great bag for fall. I know a lot of people think, oh, with winter and snow and rain and whatnot, suede, but if you put a little bit of protection on this, and we just updated our leather page, so it goes over all the ways to keep your bag looking newer longer on there, depending on the leather of the bag, and suede is definitely one of those. I love the Greenwich in our hobo, which we call Mini Pamela, because it's a great crossbody, nice thick strap, and it goes with so much, and you can make it look springy, and you can make it look more fall. Last but not least, we call Rosarito Beach, which kind of screams summer just by the name, but it is a tan, so it's going to be that neutral, but there's golden undertones in it, and it's a 2-tone leather, so it really adds that nice brightness to your fall wardrobe. Adds, especially if you're wearing a lot of dark colors, a little bit of light in your bag can go so far in adding that dimension to your wardrobe that it needs to go into fall. And if you're like anything in Chicago, fall is pretty long. It almost feels like summer through September, and it doesn't really start getting that crisp until October and November, and then of course we hit the winter. So I hope that gave you an idea of how to add some fun color to your wardrobe for fall simply by changing up the color of your handbag. Thanks for stopping by. I hope that helped. Bye.